Hi everyone, I'm Ginny Jeng. I am a BBSRC Research Fellow working at the University of Sheffield. My work involves understanding the mechanisms underlying age-related hearing loss. I use a wide range of techniques to answer the question of how we lose hearing with age. These techniques including using electrophysiology to record electrical responses in cells that are responsible for hearing, also to record whether in my models they can hear after genetic mutations. So a typical day for me is that there's no single day look alike. But there's one thing similar is to plan ahead. I would plan for before I start the day, what I'm going to do in my day and what I'm going to do in the following week. And this could be involving experimental designs or writing papers that to be published with my data. So I found this is exciting because I learn new things every day and I discover things from one day to another. As I mentioned earlier, the one thing that is exciting is about my work is that no one single day is look alike. Also, in my research, the another exciting thing is to test my hypothesis to see if my hypothesis is correct. And if my hypothesis is correct, then I know that I would be the first person in the world discovering this, and that is the most exciting thing about my work. And especially, I'm studying age-related hearing loss, meaning that whatever I found, I would be able to use that potentially one day to help people with hearing loss. And that would bring my research to actually help people in need. And I feel that is exciting. So what qualification do I need to get where I am as a research fellow? The most important thing is to get a PhD. But how do you get a PhD can be different between different countries. I do think that research should be borderless, meaning that once you decide what you want to do in your research, look up who is the best in the world to do it and decide how you are going to get a PhD to in different countries or in where nearby where you were born to get the PhD you need to get where I am. And the one advice that I would give to future biologists, or more importantly, to the old me, is to be more confident and go for it when it's necessary. Don't be afraid of asking for help, and don't be afraid to decide what you want to do.